Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how I reorganize my indoor plant corner. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, I sketch the plant composition I want to create, dividing them into the two rooms, living room and study. I separated the plants by height and weight to create a uniform composition while still respecting the light requirements of the different types of plants. Once the shelf is installed, I clean up and go to prepare the part on top of the cabinet. To remove pieces of soil left by plants, I use a vacuum cleaner. After that, I wipe it down with a dust cloth. To finish, I use a damp cloth with sprayed degreaser to wipe off any remaining dust. To protect the surface of the cabinet from dirt and possible water droplets that may fall from the plants during watering, I use clean cotton cloths. Now we need to place the plants. I start with the area above the cabinet. I place the plants with the heaviest pots first. I love these kinds of plants. These are a Pilea and a Pothos. These plants are Dracaena and Monstera monkey leaf. I put Chamaedorea elegans first. It is also known as the parlor palm. I place a double pot of Orchid and Crassula ovata, aka jade plant. Last but not least, I placed a Dracaena angolensis, commonly known as the spear Sansevieria. In terms of composition, my aim was to create a harmony of colour between the pots through the use of natural tones. On the shelf I put the Aescunanthus lobianus, also known as the basket plant. Next to it I placed another parlor palm. This plant is one of the most extensively sold houseplant palms in the world. Finally, I added Dieffenbachia saguine, also known as tuftroot, and Ficus lyrata, commonly known as fiddle leaf fig. We installed LED lamps to simulate sunlight, since the plants are not exposed all day. To make the composition more harmonious and to give them all the same amount of light, we moved two plants. On top of the cabinet, we install another lamp for the plants. so that even the less enlightened ones can grow in a healthy way, even in an apartment. For now, this is the final result of the living room. We plan to add more plants in the future. The indoor garden's aesthetic appeal is enhanced by its carefully curated selection of plants and design elements. The lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and cascading vines create a visually pleasing and calming atmosphere. The next day, as the gentle breeze rustles through the trees, the warm rays of spring sunshine illuminate the surroundings. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the blueprint of what the composition of the plants in the studio is supposed to look like. For this sketch, I used my iPad Pro and Procreate. The iPad has many useful and versatile design apps. I often use Noteshelf to create mood boards for my projects. If you are interested, please leave a comment below. Now let's work on the study. If you are interested in how I made it, find the video linked in the description using the button in the upper right corner. I placed the first pothos and a Kalanchoe thyrsophora, also known as paddle plant. And now, let's shift our attention to the second smaller pothos plant. This particular pothos variety is known for its compact size and delicate foliage. My favorite plant is the Monstera deliciosa, or split-leaf philodendron. It is widely grown in temperate climates and as a houseplant. I attach the LED lamp to the shelf. It is important to place the lights in a good distance from the plants in order to provide them with good lighting. My rabbit loves to have fun and explore in the lush green garden. I ended up putting in my boyfriend's favorite plant, a Ficus microcarpa, also known as the Chinese banyan. And finally, the last LED lamp to illuminate the plants from both sides and make the light more uniform. The location of this cable is only temporary, as long as the plants are getting the right amount of light. And this is the final result. I am quite happy with it. I really wanted to have a plant corner in the studio as well. A quiet and comfortable place to work and focus is essential for productivity and concentration. It allows individuals to escape distractions and create an environment conducive to deep thinking and efficient work. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.